Now we'll see a problem in quantum mechanics. I have taken this problem from Introduction to Quantum Mechanics by Griffiths and Sherother. Construct psi2 of x and sketch psi0, psi1, psi2 and check the orthogonality of psi0, psi1, psi2 by explicit integration. So here it is taken for harmonic oscillator, and so A plus, it is a ladder operator. A plus acting on the wave function psi n gives square root of n plus 1 psi n plus 1. So from this, psi n plus 1 is 1 by square root of n plus 1, A plus acting on psi n. So if you put n is equal to 0, then psi 1 is equal to A plus acting on psi naught. And if you put n is equal to 1, then you can get psi 2 is equal to 1 by square root of 2 A plus acting on psi 1. And you know psi 1 is A plus acting on psi naught. So it is 1 by square root A plus, we have to operate 2 times and psi naught. So psi 3 is 1 by square root of 3 A plus acting on psi 2. So if you put psi 2 value, then it is 1 by square root of 3 into 2 A plus 3 times psi naught. So as a whole, if we go like this, psi n is equal to 1 by square root of n factorial A plus n times psi naught. So you know for harmonic oscillator, the ground state wave function is psi naught is equal to m omega by pi h cross whole power half 1 by 4 e power minus m omega by 2 h cross x square. And also we know the A plus, the ladder operator is the rising operator, is we can write this in terms of momentum and position as 1 by square root of 2 h cross m omega minus ip plus m omega x. If we put p is equal to I operator minus ih cross d by dx, then you can get A plus is equal to 1 by square root of 2 h cross m omega minus h cross d by dx plus m omega x. So now psi 1 is A plus acting on psi naught and psi 2 is 1 by square root of 2 A plus acting on psi 1. Otherwise 1 by square root of 2 A plus 2 times acting on psi naught. So psi 1, you put the value of A plus and psi naught, and here it is d by dx, and if you differentiate, then we'll get psi 1 is 1 by square root of 2 h cross m omega by pi h cross whole power 1 by 4 2m omega x e power minus m omega by 2 h cross x square. And next you have to find this psi 2. Psi 2 is 1 by square root of 2 A plus acting on psi 1. So you substitute the value for x, psi 1 as in from equation 6. Psi 2 is and also you substitute the value for A plus, and then differentiating, we will get psi 2 is 1 by square root m omega by pi h cross whole power 1 by 4 2 m omega by h cross x squared minus 1 e power minus m omega by 2 h cross x squared. Now if you sketch this value, psi naught is actually e power minus x squared. It is like a Gaussian function, and psi 1 is with some x value, so it is like derivative. So and psi 2 is with respect to x squared minus 1 and e power, so it will be like this. Now we have to check the orthogonality property of psi naught, psi 1 and psi 2. So we can have three different combination: psi naught, psi 1, psi 1, psi 2 and psi naught, psi 2. And here psi naught is an even function and psi 2 is an even function. And if you take psi naught and psi 1, it is an odd function, so the integral will be 0. Yeah, similarly, if you take psi 1 and psi 2, it is an even odd function, so the integral will be 0. Next, we have to take psi naught and psi 2, it is an even function. So if you substitute the value of psi naught and psi 2, and we will get the integral m omega by 2 pi h cross whole power half integral 2m omega by h cross x squared e power minus m omega by h cross x squared dx minus integral e power minus m omega by h cross x squared dx. So first one, if you integrate, that is e power minus m omega by h cross x squared dx, it is like a Gaussian function. This value is square root of h cross pi by m omega. Second term, it is like x squared e power minus m omega h cross x squared. You can take like this uv formula. You take it as x, du is dx, and dv is x e power minus m omega by h cross x squared dx. And here you take y is m omega by h cross x squared. So dy is m omega by h cross 2x dx. So dv is h cross by 2m omega e power minus y dy. So we can write v is minus h cross by 2m omega e power minus y. So if you substitute the value for y and after integration, we can get uh, uh, after the limit, first term will be 0, second one is h cross by 2m omega from integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus m omega by h cross x square dx. So this integral is, the value is square root of h cross pi by m omega. So if you substitute all the values, integral psi naught psi 2 dx is equal to 0. So it will all orthogonal in nature. Thank you.